food lovers, today I'm sharing my creamy, comforting beans with milk recipe. Yes, milk. This is a delicious, unique, and budget-friendly way to enjoy beans like never before. Look at that. And of course, I had my beans with chapati. Going to use the normal things we have in the house. So I had my tomatoes, onions, ho and carrots, plus of course I'm a cube babe, so I got Reiko cube, plus my pre-boiled beans. I had already boiled them, and milk. It's not that much, but just a quarter cup is okay. We grab our spheres. If you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. As usual, we are starting off with our pan, and we're going to put the onions and oil, and make sure we turn them until they are golden brown. Add in our tomatoes and koroga for a while, and then cover it. To add in our ho-hos, the carrots, koroga for a going to add salt and Reiko cube. Then we're going to stir it for a while. And look at that. So kwenye ambazo tomato ambazo zijaji bonda vizuri, we are going to do it with our mwiko, because we are going to add in our beans, the pre-boiled beans we had, and then stir it. Make sure the mixture zinashikana vizuri, before we cover it for a few minutes. Now the beans are okay. We are going to add in our milk and stir it again to make sure tumekoroga vizuri, and then we cover it up and we let it cook for like 5 minutes. Ni vizuri tukigeuza tukiangalia so that it doesn't like stick if you're using the normal sufuria, or hata kama ni hii, it's nice when you ukiangalia koroga yeah. And our beans are ready. Look at that. For today's recipe, creamy milk beans, simple, tasty and budget friendly. This video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Jacinta's World for more cooking and girl talk episodes. Next one, all and flavorful.